Guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. And I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well, and thank you so much for being with me on this journey. And as you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself, and in that particular challenge, I'm going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis. And today is the 38th day of that particular challenge, and as you all are seeing, like I'm preferring to create my all blogs in the field side of my village. This is wheat crop, and this is tur pulses, and this is gram crop is growing nowadays. It's started flowering, and these are the mustard crops are growing, but it's started creating the seeds of mustards, because after flowering every crop is going to create the seeds if it is not infected by any disease or any bacteria. Then it is going to create the seeds. And as you all are seeing, like I have started a new thing in my channel. Like I have started storytelling in my channel, and so in order to continue on that, today also I'm going to narrate some story, and through that story you are able to do some improvement on you and your personality. So once upon a time, in a village there was a man living whose name is Chandan. And Chandan is completed his education, and he started to search for job. Then he get a job in a school for teaching the children. He started teaching at that particular school, but after 6 months he started feeling like I'm not feeling satisfied in teaching, and he think like I need to search for some other things. So in order to that, he started for searching and other things. Then he got a job as a writer. So he joined that job as a writer, and he worked for at least 1 year. And then also he started feeling like this work is not meant for me, and he's not feeling that much engaged in while doing that work. So then he decided to quit this job, and he started searching for another job. And the everyone from that village, when seeing Chandan walking on the street, then they are calling the Chandan. This is the Chandan who is Kutter. Kutter Chandan is going here and there. He is almost 33 years old, but he is not able to stick on the one things, and he is also not married. And he started searching for third job in his life. Then he got a job in a blacksmith shop, and he asked with blacksmith for a job. Then blacksmith agreed with him, and he said, yeah, you can join from tomorrow onwards. And Chandan joined that blacksmith shop, and he started working there, and he's watching every moment when blacksmith is going to hard the iron rods and shape, going to make them strong weapons and all. And he worked for almost 2 years, in blacksmith shop, and he felt like I'm not able to do this work with enjoy. This is not my passion. I'm not going to do this work anymore. And he quit that job also. And he quit his third job. After that, he started searching for new work for pay the wages, daily wages, and he when no one is want to talk with the Chandan, and he is living alone, and once one day in the evening he sat below the sky, and he started asking with God. He's feeling very disappointed and lost, and he started asking with God, why I'm not able to stick on one thing, why I'm feeling this thing, I think I'm not having any purpose in my life. And after some time he slept, and whe- on next morning when he wake up, then he go for searching for a new job. Then he visited to a carpenter shop, and he asked with carpenter, if you have any requirement for a helper, then I want to get a job. Then that carpenter is agreed with Chandan, yeah, there is a opening for a helper, you can join me from tomorrow. So Chandan started working in a carpenter shop. He's watching carpenter working very with focused, and after 1 year or one and a half year, he started feeling again like this work is not meant for me. I'm not going to do this work anymore, and he quit fourth job also. Then there was a man came whose name is Donald, and he came and he want to hire a man who is able to do all four work, like who is able to teach, trained some employees on his organization, and also able to do some writing work and able to do some iron work and carpenter work also. So he announced that we have openings for the people who is able to do these all work. So no one is able to do these all work, one people, but there are so many people who are able to do these four works. Different people, different work. Then Donald said, if I'm going to hire four people, then I must need to give more time to the person, and also I need to pay more money. So if one people is able to do, then I'm agree and I'm going to pay efficient money to him. Then Chandan goes and he said, I'm able to do these all four work. If you are agreed, then I'm ready for it. And then Donald hired him. So the conclusion of this story is, if you are really having some skill set, then definitely this skill set is going to help you in your bad time, and this skill set is able to add on something on your personality. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able